Hello guys, Steve here. I'm here with the Vanquish. I put a 21 turn motor and an 18 tooth pinion gear in this beauty. We're going to GPS it and see how it runs. The stock setup had a 21 tooth pinion gear and it had the silver can 540 motor, the stock one, and that went 19.9 miles an hour. But I don't know what this is going to do because I'm dropping 3 teeth and I got a 21 turn. You can see it right in there. Let's hook this up and see how it goes. Alright guys, I have the 2S LiPo and I also have the GPS meter ready. We're going to hook this in and we're going to see how fast it goes. What a tight fit that was. Now I gotta put the GPS meter on it. I'll put it right here. And that should be good. Let's go give it a whirl, guys. Ready? 2S LiPo, 21 turn motor. Stock silver cam motor, 19.9 miles an hour. Let's see what this one can do. Going crooked. I'll have to straighten her out because I did adjust. I'm getting some kind of interference over here. Alright guys, I have her hooked up again. The fastest I got, I think, was 19.8 miles an hour. It was like the same as the stock, but I have an 18 tooth pinion, so that's going to be like probably almost 4 miles an hour difference, I'm thinking. So I'm going to give this another whirl. I'm having nothing but problems. I'm getting interference and everything. I'm going to try to stand up this time. Alright, here she goes. It's running away. Something's interfering. I don't know what the hell it is. She ain't controlling. Look. She's going by herself. Oh, there goes my GPS. Don't fall off. It just fell off. We're going to see how fast this is. If it's the same speed and it runs ice cold, I'll be happy. But I could always go up like a couple teeth. I may be able to put the stock pinion in this. 20 miles an hour. That's if it's working. It is faster. I'm happy. We're going to bring it to the ball field and give it a run, and I'll feel the motor. If it's cold, then I know I could go up on the pinion gear. Alright guys, came to the ball field. Let's see if, I hope this ain't all wet. Oh no, it's nice. These tires should rip. You can see that. See how this beauty works on the field. So far it's working nice. There was something up by when doing the GPS. It was, oh, there I go again. ESC's cutting out. Maybe it can't handle the 21 turn motor. It's funny because the older ESCs that I have, the first generation ones, I run 20 turn motors on them, no problem. This is the newer style. Maybe it ain't as good. If anyone knows, let me know. I'll have to drive it easy. That's weird. It's running nice though. Maybe why I wasn't getting a good GPS speed reading. The ESC can't handle it. Oh, it's not shutting off now. It just don't feel right. I think if I put a new ESC in here, I'll get more punch and speed out of it. Oh, first crash. It's not cutting out now. This is probably a mess. Let's check it out. Oh my God. This is gonna be fun to clean, guys. Holy smoke. I think I better go on some other terrain here. Clean this off. Ooh, brakes, brakes. Yeah, see, now it's off again. It doesn't have no distance. It's something over here is funky. Oh, it just ain't running right. Something, it's funny when I come out here closer to up there where I did the GPS test, it's something off. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna have to look into it. There, it just shut down again. I don't know what's wrong with this ESC. It can't handle this motor. Is it hot? It does feel a little warm. Yeah, it is kind of hot, guys. I'm thinking this new, what is it? TBLE02, is that it? I can't see. I'm thinking that beauty can't handle a 21 turn motor anymore like the old ones do. Yeah, it's just dead now. Here, restart it maybe. Oh no, it shut off from a rock. A rock must have hit it. Well, we're still good. It's like a rock hit the switch. I'm gonna have to turn that around. This ain't the best spot for riding a buggy, but she's going out of control again. When I get close over here, weird. Works good though. Just having, there it's at again. Technical difficulties. Oh! Even a Vanquish could get up that. Surprised. And now it's shut down. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end it here with this one today. Nothing but problems. I don't know what's wrong with it. The ESC is running kind of warm. I'm gonna try to move the antenna too. Maybe that's a problem, but I think there's just something here messing up with the 2.4 fly sky frequency I have here, and it is hopping, so I don't know why it would be doing this. Nothing but trouble today, but it's still fun. It looks like it's faster than stock. I got 20 miles an hour, and that's even if everything was working. Like I said, I was getting all these crazy kind of glitch things and out of control. I don't think nothing ever worked. So I'm gonna look into this. I may replace that ESC with like one of those cheap, what are they, quick run ones. They're pretty good and waterproof. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. And let me see the motor. The motor's kind of warm. I could probably go up a tooth on the pinion gear, but I'm gonna probably leave it. I think if I just put a better ESC in there, like the quick run, I think it's the 1060, and I think it'll run a lot better. Alright guys, if you liked the video, please leave me a thumbs up. I appreciate it as always. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit that bell for future videos, and I'll see you next time guys. Shen RC out.